Welcome back. We created our ViewHolder class that will serve as a container for the views of a single item in the grid view, reducing the number of calls to findView by ID method. And we declared the views, image view and the text view. Now let's move to the getView method. Let's discuss the parameters of the getView. The first parameter is called position. The position parameter represents the position of the item within the dataset that the adapter is currently handling. It's the position of the item in the adapter's data source, for example, an array or a list. You use this parameter to retrieve the relevant data for the current item. The second parameter is ConvertView. The ConvertView parameter is a recycled view that may be passed to the getView method for reuse. Android reuses views as you scroll through a list or grid view to improve performance. If this parameter is null, it means there is no recycled view available, and you should inflate a new one. If it is not null, you can reuse it by updating its contents instead of creating a new view, which is more efficient. Parent. The parent parameter is the parent view that will contain the returned view. This is typically the list view, grid view, or another similar component that the adapter is associated with. You use this parameter when inflating a new view to specify the parent for the inflated view. The return type is view. The getView method returns a view that represents the item at the specified position. This is the view that will be displayed as one item in the list view or grid view. Now, let's check for the ConvertView if it is not null. I'll create a new view variable, but I'll name it as item view equals to ConvertView. I'll initialize it with the ConvertView. Val holder, it's of type my ViewHolder class, and select the ViewHolder of my current package. And don't use this Android x.RecyclerView, use this ViewHolder. Now, I need to check if item view, which is the ConvertView, also you can get rid of this. So you can directly use the ConvertView. But for more professionalism, I can use the item view. Here, ConvertView, if it is equal to null, then I need to inflate the view ConvertView equals to LayoutInflater dot from, and here I need to pass the context parameter dot inflate or dot layout dot grid item layout, which is our custom layout. The second parameter is parent and the third parameter is false. And you can see there is an error here, ConvertView. Val cannot be reassigned. And this is a val. So for that, I typed here var item view equals to ConvertView. I need to use the item view, which is of type var. I can't use ConvertView directly here because I'm assigning it to a new value. This is the intention of using the item view equal to ConvertView. Then I need to create and set the view holder. I'll start with holder equals to view holder, and holder dot image view equals to item view dot find view by ID r.id dot the ID of the image view, and holder dot text view equals to item view dot find view by ID r.id dot text view. Here I am initializing the variables of the view holder. So I'm creating an instance of this view holder and I'm accessing these variables and initializing them here in the new ConvertView that I'm going to create. Then I need to use view.tag equals to holder. What does this line mean? In Android, the tag property of a view is a general purpose mechanism that allows you to associate an arbitrary object with a view. The tag can be used to store any object, and it's often employed as a convenient way to attach additional information to a view. In the context of the getView method and the ViewHolder pattern, the line itemView.tag equals to holder is used to associate the ViewHolder object with the view being created or reused. When a view is recycled, ConvertView is not null. You can retrieve the ViewHolder from the recycled views tag using itemView.tag as a ViewHolder. This avoids the need to create a new ViewHolder and perform findViewByIds calls again, which can be resource intensive. So in this case, I'm using the tag that avoids the need to create a new ViewHolder and call again and again findViewById for every item created. By using the tag property to associate the ViewHolder with the view, you ensure that the ViewHolder is accessible when the view is recycled, allowing for efficient reuse of views and improved scrolling performance. Then I'll move to the else, and here I need to reuse the existing ViewHolder. Holder equals to itemView.tag as a ViewHolder, and select my custom adapter.viewholder. Also, we need to surround it with null check. You can do it like this, or you can add this question mark. Then I need to bind data to views. Similar to what we done with the base adapter, I need to bind the data to views. It's very simple. Val current item equals to grid items at position. So I'm getting the current item from the grid items list and passing position as the index. Holder dot image view dot set image resource current item dot image or shape image, and holder dot I'm getting from current item the shape image. Also, I need to get the text view. The text equals to current item dot shape name. Then the last thing I need to do is to return the item view that we created here with double exclamation mark.